Okay.
Hi, I'm Marissa.
I'm Ken.
We are here to explain our wonderful experience with Zen Windows. Initially, we went online and decided we wanted to get some bids, and got some bids. Well, got a bid from Zen Windows, which was wonderful. He could bid it over the phone, talked with me, explained everything that he was going to be doing prior to having somebody come and measure, and did talk with other companies who wanted to come out to the house, needed to have 2 homeowners present, needed a couple of hours just to measure my windows and give me a bid. And that's not, we don't have time for that. So Zen Windows made it easy. So anyway, they came out, measured, and gave us the actual bid, made sure that everything was correct that he told me initially. And then by the time the windows got here, I received a phone call. We picked a date. They came out to put in the windows, and so far it's only been, this morning that we've been working on it. They're almost done, ready to go. Wonderful guys. Eddie is here to install, and Eddie has explained everything, worked through everything, showed me how it works. I'm very comfortable with it, and they're almost done. So it's been a great experience with Zen Windows.
Yeah, I'll just second that. It's been a great experience. I mean, no high pressured sales. They've done a good job installing quickly. They've spent a little time, like Marissa said, with us explaining how the windows work and all that, which is nice. They didn't just come in, slap them in, and go away. So, no, I mean, from a customer experience perspective, it's been fantastic.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks.